Hey, what's up, guys? To all my well wishers. Hey, guys, it's the first rain. Like, amazing experience, man. क्या बरसात हो रही है. Like, I can feel it like I'm in Mumbai. Insane experience. Like, यार ये बहुत टाइम का बना ऐसा छाते के अंदर ऐसा चलना एक अलग ही मज़ा है यार. क्योंकि जब मैं दुबई में था ना, like there was no rain in Dubai. Like there was a drizzling. Drizzling एक अलग feeling of real rain, like natural. Insane experience. I can say after 6 years, yeah, probably that's the right number. Yeah, after 6 years, I'm carrying this umbrella and going for a walk. Insane experience, like crazy. And trust me, guys, ये इसका जो मज़ा है ना एक अलग मज़ा है. Oof, look at the streets, guys. Look at the street. Oh man, what an experience. Like what a journey. Like after a long time, I feel like amazing experience. Like एक छाता पकड़ के चलना भी एक अलग मज़ा है, पता है क्या? Like I don't know like how many people can relate. Like छाता, college, school, work has a different experience. Like different, it's a part of our life. And look at this, man. Because of rain and this whole place got dirty, all got watery. Like I can say, Los Angeles बारिश है नहा रहा है. That's the right word, yeah. Los Angeles बारिश है नहा रहा है. Superb experience. Let's see the Hollywood, the Walk of Fame, how it looks. And even I was not aware. Like I was aware about there's a rain and all, but इतना बारिश? No way, not at all. Side effect मेरे तो छाता ही टूट गया यार. और ये छाता मेरी भी नहीं है, ये तो मेरी दोस्त की है, ऋषिकेश करके. वो मेरा he's my best buddy. So I met a good people in my life. उनका नाम ऋषिकेश है, अथर्वा, and dude, I don't know. ये दोनों में से किसी एक का है and this got broken. तूफान है, तूफान, dangerous. Time to experience, time to cherish the moment. It is all about journey, guys. I believe now. थोड़ा क्या बारिश आया, dude, ये पूरा रोड खाली हो गया, man. I was not expecting this at all. Like हाँ थोड़ा सा, but yeah, I don't know यहाँ पे वो like frogs, मेंढक. I don't know मेंढक मिलेंगे, देखने मिलेगा कि नहीं, वो तो नहीं पता. अगर मुझे मेंढक मिलते हैं ना, मज़ा आएगा यार. क्योंकि यार मुंबई में ना जो बारिश गिरते थे ना यार, it has a different experience. And I'm really craving for vada pav, man. एक वड़ा पाव, चाय, that I'm pretty sure अगर मिल गया यहाँ पे किधर गलती से भी ना, I will be happiest person in this world. Trust me, guys. ये weather, this is insane experience. Crazy. Let's see how it works. Let's see the journey. Let's see ये बारिश कितना दिन रहती है. And इसका जो मज़ा है ना छाता का, एक अलग ही मज़ा है. It is a part of life. It is part of journey. Check yeah, guys. It is all about love. See you soon. Oh, wait. पूरा Walk of Fame empty है, guys. पूरा Walk of Fame. This is a major hub where people just come to spend some time, to have some international stars experience, Hollywood experience. And पूरा का पूरा Hollywood empty है. Like so crazy, dead. Insane experience, guys. Insane. Like amazing.